Welcome to the MT2 Easy Step-by-Step Guide to maximize your firing range lead profit. This is your simple solution to get the highest value for your range lead. Simple, fast, guaranteed. Step 1. Online questionnaire. The range completes an easy online range questionnaire or calls their MT2 regional representative to complete. The questionnaire includes basic range info, typical usage, estimate amount of lead brass on your range, as well as the layout, and describes your overall cleaning and maintenance needs. Step 2. Free phone consultation. Your MT2 range advisor calls you to discuss your range lead reclamation plan and will review details of your specific range layout, conditions, amount of lead, and specific tasks to be performed for you. Step 3. Finalize pricing and proposal. Your MT2 range advisor prepares your fixed price contract for detailed service and lead value per pound. You receive and approve a detailed contract with fixed pricing for all services and fixed lead pricing per pound of lead based on LME. The contract guarantees the work and protects range owner with indemnification and $10 million in legal and insurance protections. The MT2 standard contract is the industry leader. MT2 does not rely on change orders. Step 4. Schedule start. The range signs the contract and your MT2 advisor schedules services at a convenient time for all parties. As the only firing range services provider with complete nationwide operations, MT2 operates from our network of regional offices offering full 50-state coverage with OSHA and EPA certified work teams. Step 5. Job success. MT2 executes your job, containerizes the lead, sends it for recycling, and disposes of your waste for you, and provides the final report and lead proceeds within 10 days. MT2 is committed to getting you the absolute highest value for your range lead, so we offer the opportunity to lock in the lead credit value at 1. The time of contracting, or 2. When we arrive on site and package the lead. You are in control. MT2 guarantees to pay the highest percent of LME lead value. No one pays more. Clients who work with us have the peace of mind that their project will be effortlessly scheduled, successfully completed with minimal downtime for their range, and quickly receive proceeds for the absolute highest value for their reclaimed lead. Here's what to expect during the MT2 lead reclamation process. 1. Your range project is set up by trained and certified crew. The MT2 work crew mobilizes and sets up our specialty equipment, sets up lead dust containment and ventilation, and walks the range with the owner to conduct pre-work planning. 2. Work process. We reclaim lead, restore traps and berms, and clean the range, restoring everything to the highest standards. All work follows written health and safety work plans. We are OSHA and EPA experts with no violations, and we take no shortcuts. 3. Job completion. The MT2 crew finishes site work, cleans up, containerizes, weighs, and arranges for transportation of lead drums for recycling and to legally dispose of your lead waste. Optional on-site lead waste treatment with EcoBond to ensure you never generate hazardous waste. Guaranteed. MT2 provides the range with a detailed log on the amount of lead reclaimed and waste. 4. Final report, typically 1 to 2 weeks later. MT2 prepares the final report and important records for the range to keep, including waste manifests, lead reclamation certificates, and other important details to support final project completion to protect you and your range if the EPA asks for documentation. 5. Lead proceeds. MT2 supplies the lead reclamation proceeds check to the range owner or offsets range service costs as per the previously approved contract, ensuring no surprises. Or use lead proceeds in the MT2 firing range lead credit store with a 16,000 plus catalog of premium products from filters to firearms and more. Receive your lead proceeds within 10 days. MT2 provides you with 5-star service every time from your initial visit to our website until the handshake for a job successfully completed. MT2 gives you the highest level of service and the highest lead payout to earn your 5-star review. You operate a firing range, we get the lead out.